He had a situation where these wooden staircases got really slick and slippery when it rained, or if ice fell on it, someone spilled a Coke or water, and he didn't know what to do. They had previously had down some textured strips that didn't last but a few weeks at a time, and he said it was really expensive to buy. So I showed him a product that we had available, which is this Tuff Grip right here. Very thick application. It adheres very well to the steps, and as you can see, we are applying this product right now, and it's actually applied very easily. It's a roll-on application. Makes the steps that were once weathered and old looking, brings life back to these steps. So as you can tell, this old brown step is the original wood step, and now it's a beautiful black, bright, nicely covered step.